Welcome to our quick guide on how to sync a contact to your phone using the WhatsApp app on PC. With the latest update, this process has become even simpler. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and connected to your account. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the contact you want to sync. This could be someone you chat with frequently or a new contact you've just added. Now here's where it gets interesting. Click on the name of the contact you want to sync. This will open up their contact information page. You'll see all the details you have for this person, like their profile picture, status, and any shared media. At the top of the contact info page, you'll notice a small edit icon. It usually looks like a little pencil or pen. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will allow you to make changes to the contact's information. Here's the exciting part. With the new update, you'll see an option to enable sync to phone. This feature is a game changer for keeping your contacts up to date across all your devices. Simply toggle this option on. Once you've enabled the sync feature, don't forget to hit the save button. This ensures that all the changes you've made, including enabling the sync, are applied to the contact. And there you have it. You've successfully synced your WhatsApp contact to your phone. From now on, any updates you make to this contact on your PC will automatically sync to your phone, and vice versa. This means no more manually updating contact info on multiple devices. Remember, this feature is part of the latest WhatsApp update, so make sure your app is up to date to access this convenient tool. Happy chatting, and enjoy the seamless contact management across your devices.